Hi, I am Yogesh Gute. Today's technical point is vital sign. Now, explain vital sign is that sign to indicate the uh, body condition and measurements of the body to any sign work as a low or high. The body can change the effect on the body that change identify in our body. Now vital sign contains four types. First one is body temperature. Second one is heart rate, is also called as a pulse rate. Third one is a respiratory rate, and fourth one is a body rate, body temperature. Pulse rate, respiratory rate. This is the vital sign of our body. Now one by one explain this vital sign. First one is the body temperature. Now our body temperature is around normal body temperature is around 37 degrees Celsius in room temperature. Now sudden climate change, the temperature is rises in summer season. That time our body adapt the temperature in our inner body, the maintain the temperature to the body can survive in good condition. The temperature is rises that contain most of the diseases in our arises in our body, is fever, diarrhea, vomiting. This is also the this is arises in the temperature, rising the temperature of a body. Temperature rises, the homeostasis condition is also arise, very critical. Critical process. Second one is now heart rate. Heart rate is heart is pumping per minute 72 beats in per minute. Now hearts contains two major types. One is hypertension and second one is hypotension. Hypertension is means the systolic and diastolic pressure into the heart vessel to be more. The blood pressure of arteries wall is more, that's heart is pump that's contain the heart. Hypertension is arises, the hypertension is systolic is 120 and diastolic is 180 is above. This is the hypertension. And hypotension means the low blood pressure count. This is also called as a hypotension. The systolic pressure is 120 and diastolic pressure is 80. This is the normal range of blood pressure. The pulse rate, the pulse rate contains our heart blood pump to the all over the body in the normal range is called as a pulse rate. Now fourth one is the respiratory rate. Now oxygen inhalation and carbon dioxide exhalation is this carried in respiratory system. Now normal adult contains 12 to 20 inhalation oxygen inhalation is the adult rate of respiration. The normal range this the range is low or high that contain fever or most of the disease are arises in the asthma. This is the sign to get our body changes in early stage. Thank you.